This is the Yeryork 15 amp, 18 inch electric tiller cultivator. So it's got a 15 amp motor on it, so it's going to make some noise, but it's not going to be as loud as a gas powered motor, which I like. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it. So let's do it. Obviously it is winter time right here. The ground is frozen. I'm not going to be able to cut into the ground as I'd like to, but I'm getting myself set up for the spring, and I'm glad they sent this to me. When you first get the package, it comes in a box, and inside the package you're going to get the unit itself. These arms are separate, the wheels are separate, and the screws are separate. I'm going to do a video for you right here showing you how to install the whole thing and put it together. Super simple, took me about 5 minutes to do it. And it's pretty lightweight. I mean, any electric gardening tool is obviously going to be a great eco-friendly alternative to a gas product. And this one's virtually maintenance-free. I would just want to make sure I tighten up the screws or make sure they're tight each time I use it. And then once you do that, you just plug it in right here and you are good to go. Let me give you an idea of how loud this is, and we'll put it up on the table and I'll give you a little close-up on the other features. On the inside of the handles here, we have a little thing where you can wrap your cable around, plug it in, and you're good to go. On this side, we have a safety switch right here, so you're gonna have to press this in and then power it up. Nice feeling trigger on there, and I'll show you that in a minute. Just wanted to show you this safety switch. Nice, we got an 18-inch metal guard on top. Looks like we are going to get about 18 inches of tilling width. There are adjustable wheels via a detent pin right here. And when it's set on number 4 like it is right now, we can get a maximum working depth of about 9 inches. So it's gonna be perfect for most gardens. Great for smaller backyards like the one at my townhouse here. The adjustable wheels have 4 different positions you can set it to, which are great for not only for tilling, but for transporting it too. We have 6 sets of 4 steel tines each on here. So it's a total of 24 tines. They look pretty solid, made out of solid metal. There you go, affordable, easy to store, easy to transport, 18-inch electric tiller. Cultivator like this is going to be great for my soil preparation when I replant my flowers and veggies this spring. Perfect for my townhouse yards. And it's going to store easily in my shed. Very nice.